x squared plus c 5x plus c 6 is equal to 0. We get the first part multiplied by last part to come up with a new part here, 6x squared. Then find the factors of this 6x squared, which can sum up to 5x. Factors of 6x squared, we've got -1 and -6, -3 and -2, 1 and 6, 3 and 2. And this one cannot make 5. Addition of this one cannot make 5. Addition of this one cannot make 5. But this one can. Therefore, we're going to use 3x plus 2x instead of 5x. Then the equation will look like this. I'll leave the gap on the middle here. Then instead of 5x, I'll put these factors: 3x plus 2x. Now we're going to find a term which can go into this one, this one can go into this one, and this one. Now, so x will go into x squared and leave x, will go into 3x and leave 3. Now here we have 2, we'll go into 2x and leave x, we'll go into 6 and leave 3. After that, we've seen that we find same things here. Then we're going to pick one, x and c2, we're going to make their own bracket. X plus c3, we're going to make their own bracket, is equal to 0. So say either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to -2 or x is equal to -3. Now, question 2. Now in question 2, the rules remain unchanged. You take the first term, multiply by the last term, you come up with a new term, -12x squared. Then you find the factors of this term, which can sum up to 4. Then the factors are -2 and +6 can sum up to 4. You rearrange the equation. Instead of 4x, substitute it by the factors 2x and 6x. Now we find a term which can go into this term and this term. That is 2x can go into 2x squared and leave x. Now 2x can go into -2x and leave -1. And then here we find 6 can go into 6x to leave x. Again, it can go into 6 to leave -1. So 2x and these 6, they make their own bracket. Then these two brackets, they're just the same. We pick one, is equal to 0. And say either 2x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we rewrite 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we get 6 to the other side of the equals sign, which becomes -6. Then 2x is equal to -6. We have to make x subjected. Then we find that x is equal to -3. Now x is equal to +1 after we've taken 1 and put it to the other side of the equals sign. And that's the end of the problem. In the next video, we're going to talk about completing square. Don't miss the next. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.